Here's a new 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Built to keep up with the rugged demands of your life, this Silverado 1500 is strong, safe, and comfortable. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth, leather and metal look steering wheel, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.